Hi everybody, I'm Bill Hamby, President and CEO of the Auto Care Association. By 2020, 87% of the new vehicles will be transmitting their data wirelessly. Yet nearly 3 in 4 consumers have no idea that that's taking place. So what we have to do as an association, and more importantly, as an industry, is to make consumers aware that they may lose their right to choose their independent repair facility. So finally, what I ask of you as a good steward of the independent aftermarket is to visit yourcaryourdata.org to learn more about our efforts in telematics. However, we also have to ensure our industry's success by becoming engaged at the shop level, at the store level, and at the consumer level to ensure that the consumers can choose their preferred independent repair facility, not only now, but in the years to come.